Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I've been working on my Raven Vintage Design Team project, which is junk mail envelopes, junk journal, and it's coming along really nicely. I love all the birds, and we're having a lot of fun embellishing and everything, but I wanted to add some of my own birds, and I have this fun stamp set. It is called Nature's Paradise from Crafter's Companion, and it comes with all these stamps, which are really pretty cool. You have this beautiful parrot here, and these, I call them lovebirds, and some leaves and a hibiscus flower and a little drink there. But anyway, I thought it would be fun to do some coloring because that usually takes a little time, and we don't always get to do that or have the time. So I've got my little papers here to go underneath because this is alcohol markers that I'm going to be using. These are Triblends. They have the little nib, that, not the brush nib, but it's like a bullet nib. And these are the deeps, and these are the colors that are in here, and they're really beautiful. So I thought it would be fun to use these on the birds and do some coloring. All right, it is National Craft Month. Don't forget to go enter. And if you would be interested for tomorrow's Crafts and Games Live, there is a poll out there to vote for which theme we're going to be making our tags for. So either the Songbirds, which is the Raven Vintage Design Team project, or the So Lovely, which is the Emerald Mama's Creations Kit Create Collab. All right, so let's play with this bird here. I love this really pretty bird. I think we're just gonna go with what we want the bird to look like. So we're gonna start with some green. I start with the light, and let's zoom you in just a little. Make sure you can see really well. All right, so we're going to start. This is Nina cardstock that I stamped it on, and I'm going to go with the light and start right here. We're just going to do the underneath the light. And I'm just going to color in a circular motion all this underneath for this beautiful bird here. And then we're going to bring in the dark. So the dark, there's 3 shades on these Triblend pens. Your light, your medium, and your dark. And so I'm going to just come over here to the edge of his body. And I'm pulling in the dark around where the lines are, so you can see his feathers. And I want to make the dark the outer part, and then we're going to bring in the medium. And the medium will blend with the dark and the light. And then we can come back over it with the light again. And these are really a lot of ink. These are alcohol markers. And so I'm going back over the dark and the medium, pulling in and sharing the extra alcohol that's in the light part of the marker, just to blend and also make sure that there's no big lines in there. So that looks really pretty. I think I might bring this light green out right here to his wing, and then maybe we'll bring yellow into that. So I do have a golden yellow. Not quite sure how dark the golden yellow will end up being, so we may not grab that dark, but we'll see. And just bring in that golden yellow up here. And this is the light. So then we're going to take this darker, and we're going to go light just right around where these marks are on his little head. And then down here. And then we'll bring in this medium golden yellow. And we'll just start blending and shading a little. And then I want to get that light back out. I'm trying to color to the side here. And that looks really pretty. Okay, so then I wanted to bring in some blue. So I have an aqua blue blend. So I'm starting with the light. And we're just going to start up here at the top. And I'm going to bring this blue all the way down on his wing. And then we're going to bring in the dark. This seems like a real light shade. So we're just going to color in a circular motion to here. And I'm going to go around the edges a little bit, and then we're going to grab the medium. And we're going to take this medium and go over all that dark and bring it on down to the bottom down here, and then bring back in that light. And just go back over the whole thing. Now that is a pretty bird. Really fun little bird. So next we'll color this lovebird. All right, so I'm just going to color this one. I'm just going to do some fun coloring and shading and just play some music. And then we will jump back on at the end. With the deep shades, these two did turn out a lot darker than I anticipated, but that's okay. They're so pretty, and you can stamp them and do them again. And then the parrot looks so pretty, and of course you can experiment with the colors and keep doing more and more, but I think these will fit in with this journal really well. So we'll cut those out and put them in another video. Thanks so much for watching.